how to unblock someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Messenger. Let's get started. Open up a Messenger app, and then you will need to go to menu in the bottom right and then head over to settings. Now scroll down and then go to privacy and safety. There, scroll down again and tap on block profiles. Now tap on the profile that you want to unblock and then just tap on unblock. But remember that unblocking someone won't add them as a Facebook friend. You won't be able to block them again for 48 hours. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.